What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have an interesting unboxing. We're gonna be unboxing the satin home run varsity jacket in the black colorway. Now, this is a crazy story about it. I originally saw it. I was like, ooh, I love varsity jackets. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of jackets and varsity jackets. So I should make a video on my collection of jackets. But anyways, I was originally like, oh, it looks cool. I like the silver one. I really like that. But then I was like, you know what? I might not get anything. Then I was looking at the black. I was like, the black colorway kind of looks ugly. But then I looked at it again. And I'm like, man, I like it. So I was like, I was all over the place. And if you guys know Jack's Kicks and Jack's Gaming, follow my main channel, link in the description down below. You guys would know my motto of everything is buy now, regret later. And that's what I did. So we're going to see, was this worth it? I got the black colorway instead of the silver colorway. The silver colorway sold out in the extra large. So that's why I was kind of looking at that black one. I was like, I guess I might as well pick it up then. And so that's what we're doing here. So got it here. Let's open it up and let's see what it looks like for the first time in hand. I've seen no on-body pictures besides like the ones that, Supreme always puts out on, the drop week and stuff. So this is my first official look at it in hand. And I did see an in-store picture of it like on the shelf and it looked nice. So here it is, guys. Here it is. This is crazy. I don't know what to expect for this. I'm like I said, buy now, regret later. I'll give you guys my honest opinions on if you guys should pick it up or not. Because I feel like a lot of people are undecisive on it. So I got you guys. And I'm not a baseball fan at all. I don't know nothing about baseball. I don't really care about baseball. I'm a basketball guy. So I could care less about the whole baseball theme, also graffiti theme, which is cool, but I just like the look of it. That's the really reason why I bought it. But here's a Supreme sticker that you guys get with it, which is a basic sticker. And here it is. Off rip, I can see that it is pretty lightweight. It has some heaviness to it, which is what I wanted, because I was like, if this is going to be a varsity jacket, I needed to have a heavy premium feel. And that's what I kind of have here. It feels kind of heavy, which is good. And the satin is exactly how I wanted it too. It's not super duper glossy and shiny and everything. But anyways, here it is. Just took it out. And I'm actually pleased with the material of the satin. I'm actually surprised of how good it looks. I actually like the satin look. I was a little bit iffy on this, the varsity jacket being satin with the hooded. I'm not really the biggest fan of hooded varsities, but this one, I don't know why it caught my eye, and maybe because of this too. I don't know. We'll see. We'll showcase, man. But here it is. Here's a look at it. Right here. And then you guys can see it. Supreme home run. Wow. And as you guys can see, you got the nice embroidery on here. Nice patches. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, right? The other side right here. And here's the back non-stop. Really cool. Hoodie. Feels nice and soft. Nice. It's actually pretty thick too. It's a pretty thick hood. And we're obviously going to showcase this on body as well. Overall, I'm actually pleased. Got the strings here. Really nice. Nice strings. The silver one looked great, but I didn't know. Like I feel like this is more wearable than the silver one. And so, yeah. So like I said, hey, I stay consistent with what I say. Buy now, regret later. So I took the risk, and so far I'm pretty pleased. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this on body real quick. All right, guys. So this is an extra large, my true to size, as you guys can see. And this is the fit. It has like a more shorter fit compared to like the Wave varsity jacket, which is, actual varsity jacket that's not satin without the hood. So if you want to size up, you could. So just keep that in mind. So extra large is my true to size. So just if you guys like to size up on things, this would probably be the item you would probably want to size up on. But yo, oh my gosh. Yes, I'm glad I got it. I'm telling you, people, if you want to get something, get it. And if you regret it, worst case scenario, you just sell it. Buy now, regret later, and I do not regret this buy. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yeah. I know you guys see it. I know you guys see it. Come on, man. Yes, this is fire. Definitely back. Definitely. The inside has the nice quilted lining. Obviously, you got your buttons like a varsity jacket, which is really nice overall. And this has some light on it as well. I turned off one of my main lights, so as you guys can see here, this is with the light shining on it, so it's gonna look shinier. But in hand, if you're like just out in the sun, it's not gonna look as shiny. So if you guys, I know some people hate super shiny items. This isn't super shiny. Obviously, I have a light shining right on it, so any type of light that is shined on it, it's gonna look like this. But you know what? I'll turn off my light so you guys can see. So it's gonna look bad right now. Obviously, you can still see my monitor light, but it's not that bad. You know, it's sad, you know, but I think it still looks good. I think it still looks good, you know, like this. I don't think it's super shiny. I mean, yes, you can see that it's clearly satin. Honestly, some people could mistake it as some type of leather kind of too. It does have a leather look to it from afar, but as you get closer to it, you can definitely see that it's satin. So, you know, if you guys like leather items, you know, it has that look to it too. So really nice stuff. And here's a look at it with the hood on as well. Definitely like it. Hey, honestly, this jacket without the hood would have been perfect, but with the hood, it matches well. I know a lot of shoes that I can wear with this that would match, so I'm definitely not mad about that at all. Really cool. Yeah, I know a lot of people, like I have seen zero people wear this thing like on body. I've seen no videos. So this is like something that hopefully can help a lot of people out if they want to decide on if you guys should pick it up or not. And here's a look at it all completely zipped up, or not zipped up, buttoned up. You guys can see nice pockets, very nice stuff here. I think it's a comp, man. I think this is worth it. I mean, like I said, I'm not a baseball guy. I just like the look of it, and in my opinion, it looks fantastic. Is it without the hoodie off as well? Mm, I think it's a great item. I definitely think you guys should pick it up. If you're on the fence, I think you will definitely like it in hand. And like I said, it doesn't look super shiny like this 24/7. It's only because there's a light shining right on it. So I think a lot of you guys will like this if you guys have this in, you know, in mind if you guys plan on buying it. And it is pretty cheap right now. So I highly recommend you guys buy it now before the price does increase, because it will definitely increase over time. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the jacket. I think it's a really nice jacket. The buttons, very nice, like, you know, like your typical varsity jacket from Supreme. I like how the wrist straps are very thick as well, like a nice premium feel to them. So I definitely like that a lot. um Overall, hey, my motto is always buy now, regret later. And most of the time you won't regret. I don't regret this purchase at all. I actually think that this is a really fire jacket, and if you see it in hand, and especially when you throw it on body, it looks really good. It looks really good. So I'm actually happy that I picked this thing up. And I definitely wonder what the silver one looks like. I definitely want to see what that looks like on body as well. But other than that, man, I'm very happy about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And for all the people that like to go up a size for most of their clothes, or if you like more of a oversized the look, if you don't want it to just be fit perfectly on you, if you want it to have like a more oversized look, I definitely recommend going up a size. If you're a person that likes to go up a size on most of your items, this is probably the jacket you would probably do it on. Me, I went true to size. You know, I actually like the true to size look on it. But if you're someone that likes to have like a more oversized look, then going up a size definitely won't hurt. So yeah, but other than that, all the materials, all the patches are really nice quality. I like the hood. And yeah, man, really, I'm telling you, it makes me really wonder what the silver one would look like. But I'm definitely pleased with this one. I'm definitely pleased with this one a lot. I like it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Signing out. Peace.